Hey, it's Boudreaux Eunice. On call. Well, this is part 3 of the crawfish gravy old style recipe video. This is an old recipe from Mrs. Grandma. And we're going to spoon a little bit out in this little bowl right here. And we're going to check it out. So, it's looking good. It's looking good. I'm going to go right there. Wow. Yeah, that's perfect, Missy. Now, look how good that gravy is. It's not watery. It's not too thick. It's just going to go over some rice. Then we're going to have dinner rolls with that. See if I can grab this. I couldn't see my hand in the camera. I want that with mine. I want to just kind of roll it around like that. Show you what that gravy looks like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, awesome. And then after a while, Miss is going to fry some shrimp. We're going to have fried shrimp on the side. We mostly fry shrimp like that sometimes when we make a sauce. So, it's going to be awesome. You want to take a bite there, Miss Missy?
Yes.
She wants to try it out. She's going to have to blow on it to cool it off, though. That's for sure. Now, just take a bite of the crawfish in the gravy.
Wow.
You know, like 1 crawfish, 2 crawfish, and that's the small crawfish in there. Because in peeling plants, they don't get them real big crawfish most times of the year. Only if they have an excess. The big crawfish go to the restaurants, and the small crawfish, the peelers go to the peeling plants down here in South Louisiana. So, oh yeah. It's good, Miss Missy. I say, bon way. Oh yeah. More good. Long grain rice. See if I can get that camera to focus. Long grain rice and Hitachi rice cooker. South Louisiana staple. I wish they still made those Hitachi rice cookers. This is an old one back from the 70s. 70s, early 80s. They quit making them. That was the best rice cookers you could ever eat. Oh yeah, she's making us a little snack. Not her, us a little snack. So, I gotta retract something I said on one of JB's video there. I thought he was doing a dry roux. What he was doing, he was browning his flour. I had to look up the video. He was browning his flour down before he put it in his butter. Okay, so I gotta retract that. I apologize there, JB. Louisiana Cajun recipe. Alright. Look, I want to give one more shout out to my buddy over there in Texas. North by Dallas up there. Papa, Texas. Y'all go check out his channel. Alright, we'll catch y'all. Plutarch. It's good, Miss Missy.
Yes.
Alright. Plutarch.